to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40 R design. It's the D2 diesel, finished in beautiful blue. Love this colour. 66 reg, diamond cut alloy wheels that are absolutely immaculate around the car. It's got the full R design body styling kit with a larger rear diffuser and twin exhaust at the back. As you can see, it's really in lovely condition for its age and mileage. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full R design interior, which is the half leather Alcantara white stitch piping. Electric windows and mirrors. Car's in 111,924, so it's priced well. Locking wheel nut, 6-speed gearbox. Got the multifunction steering wheel with a cruise control. Auto headlights. Got 3-stage heated seats here. Aircon, climate control. Sounds lovely, as you can hear. It's got the chip computer. Got the satellite navigation. Bluetooth connectivity. Media pack. Really is in lovely condition. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.